It's an under power video demonstration of the Micron model MPC-600 Type 2 CNC centerless grinder, new in 2003. Work diameter capacity is 0.08 to 4.7 inches. Length up to 12 inches. Maximum wheel diameter is 24 inches. The grinding wheel bore is 12 inches and the grinding wheel speed is 1300 RPM. There's 30 horsepower on this machine. The reg wheel runs at 200 RPM. The control is a Fanuc 18T CNC control. There's a hand pendant with it. Memory, through feed grinder. There is capability on the control for, it says Infeed. I'll let you see the condition of this machine it has. When this plant purchased it, they thought they had a job for it, but it never materialized, so here it is. Obviously these machines are very, very quiet. Grinding wheel dresser. Dynamic balancing system. It's the Barnes magnetic and fabric filter. Coolant system. Again, this is a Micron MPC-600 Type 2 CNC centerless grinder, new in 2003. You know, they purchased it in 05 and it's run very, very little.